Wild Moltres. Wild Articuno. Wild Zapdos. This is why I've got the Ultra Balls. Wild Moltres. Alright, level 50. Let's hope I don't, you know, one-shot it. Oh, okay. Come on, put it in the red, don't kill it. Oh. Now, put it to sleep. And now, we just have to spam Ultra Balls. This is going to be tough. Oh, no way, the second ball! Oh! Number 146. Moltres. Flame Pokemon. Known as the legendary bird of fire. Every flap of its wings creates a dazzling flash of flames. That's much better. Okay. Do I try going for another attack? Never mind. Never mind. This won't... Oh, because it's a flyer. Okay. Alright, okay. Here we go. Missed? What do you mean, missed? No. Why is it missing? What? There is no way. Why? Okay, apparently I'm doing it right. Just that sleep works better than paralysis, apparently. Oh, my team's not gonna last. Wow. Like, not a single one is landing. Oh, and the first one that does. Thank you. Oh. Number 144. Articuno. Freeze Pokemon. A legendary bird Pokemon that is said to appear to doom people who are lost in icy mountains. Alright. Put ducks away. Get Rocky back out just in case, although I don't actually think I need strength in here. I do need surf to get down there though. Oh, is there a trainer here? Okay. This is the power plant. Now for my favourite of the legendary trio. Wild Zapdos. Level 50. Alright. It has Thunder Shock. Jeez. Okay. Yes! Okay, now I need to switch over. Switch to Razor. Oh! Tank it, tank it! Damn it! Okay. Aqua Jet? Watch a Thunder Shock kill you. Alright. Oh, oh yes. Number 145, Zapdos, electric Pokemon. A legendary bird Pokemon that is said to appear from clouds while dropping enormous lightning bolts. And there we have it. All three legendary bird Pokemon. That was surprisingly easier than I remember it being as a kid. Well, apart from Articuno, who was just being a real pain in my... Huh. So, Moltres only had Peck and Fire Spin. Articuno only had Peck and Ice Beam. Ice Beam's not bad. And Zapdos only had Thunder Shock and Drill Peck. And Drill Peck's good. Alrighty. The Elite Four. And the champion. If I fail against even one of them, I have to start all over again. Wish me luck, folks. Here we go.
Let's go!